Yo, what's up YouTube? Back again with another one. And this is my first ever Redneck Studio News. Well, at least that's what I'm going to call it. But this is going to be about what I have updates and I may have not been uploading lately. Number one. Yes, I sold 4 of my motorcycles. My mini bike, my 2 dirt bikes, and my electric scooter. And yes, I bought a brand new 4-wheeler, as you probably know in one of the videos. And so what do you guys think the 4-wheeler looks cool? Please put that down in the comments. And then I'll be posting more on that.